Today we are talking about fractions on a number line, and we're going to do it through this word problem. So it says Joanne and Lupe live straight down the street from their school. Joanne walks 5/6 of a mile and Lupe walks 7/8 of a mile home from school every day. Draw a number line to model how far each girl walks, who walks the least, and explain how you know using pictures, numbers, or words. What am I being asked to do? Tell who walks the least. That's 1. Draw a number line. That's 2. Explain how you know. That's 3. I could use pictures, numbers, or words. Okay. So those are 3 things I'm being asked to do. What do I know? Well, I know that one girl walks 5/6 of a mile and one girl walks 7/8 of a mile. And I know that each of those miles is less than 1. So when I use a number line, I'm going to start at 0 and go to 1. And I'm going to try to partition this number line so that I could put each of these fractions on there. Today I made 2 number lines that are the same size because remember, when you're comparing, you need to have the same hole. So my number line should be the very same size. Okay, so 5/6 of a mile tells me that I need to have 6 equal parts. When I have 6, I know it's an even number, so I'm going to divide my number line in half. And I know I need 3 parts over here, so that's 1, 2, 1, and 2. So when I'm going to count, I can count by 6. This then would be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, or 1/2 is the same, 4/6, 5/6. So I can easily see where 5/6 is. It falls here pretty close to 1. I know that 7/8 is also going to be close to 1 because I only need 1 more eighth to get to 8/8, and I know that 8/8 is 1. But I know that I need to divide this number line into 8 equal parts. Again, I'm going to start in the middle, and I know that I need some parts over here. I can even split this in half. So there's 4 parts over there. Because I want to make sure I have 8 parts from 0 to 1. So my job is just to label. So I have 1/8 because I now have 8 parts. If you jumped in a loop, that's 1, 2, and so on until you get to 8. 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8. So when I look at the line for 7/8, I can see that it's a little bit closer to 1 than 5/6 is. And why is that? Because when I have 8s, it's smaller. So there's a smaller distance to go from 7/8 to 1 than there is with 5/6. So who walks the least? Well, it would be Joanne. Joanne walks the least. Joanne, and I'm writing in cursive for you, walks the least. And then I'm supposed to explain how I know. How do I know she walks the least? When I look at the number line, and again, I don't mind if you use symbols as long as you use them in the correct way. I can see 7/8 is closer to 1 than 5/6. So I'm using my eye and my visual and where it is. You could also explain using a picture. You could draw a picture of what 5/6 looks like or 7/8 and use that to explain. Or you can get equal denominators, and then that'll help you too. So that is putting fractions on a number line.